Hi, my name's Ellie and I'm a peer coordinator for the NAN Project. Today, I'm going to talk a little bit about what I've been up to being stuck in quarantine for the past month. For those of you who don't know me, I am an extrovert. When I heard about the severity of the virus and how we need to take part of this serious action by social distancing, I panicked. For almost a decade now, I have suffered from self-harming behaviors. When I was in my teenage years, this was a very pressing issue my family had to deal with. I was constantly self-harming and I couldn't stop. I lost my sense of freedom due to my self-harming behaviors, meaning I couldn't be left home alone or even in different rooms of the house for too long of a time. It was exhausting. I was in and out of hospitalizations due to my self-harm addiction, but I now know that my parents did everything to keep me safe because they love me. That past life that I lived is behind me now, and I'm a completely different person today. But I still get anxious about being able to stay safe. That is my number one priority. Over the years, I have learned to lean on the support in my life. Some of these supports include my regular therapy sessions with different mental health providers. I also would hang out with one of my friends almost every day because they have personalities that can get me out of any bad mood. I also have been going to the gym with one of my friends as it is a good way to draw the negative feelings out of my body. I call my parents regularly as they live in Florida, and I try to go to bed at the same time every night because I tend to get more impulsive the later it gets. Lastly, I love being outside. Being in touch with nature really brings the best out of me. I forget about all the worries in my life and focus on how beautiful Earth is. I always think my issues aren't as bad when I feel in touch with nature. The outdoors helps distract me. Keeping busy is the key to Elli's success. When places started to close due to the coronavirus, it was a really big realization to me that I'm going to need to find new ways to cope and stay occupied. My parents and I brainstormed ways I could stay busy. My mother bought me a bunch of arts and crafts, workout gear, a new yoga mat, and books for me. My father helped create a schedule or a spreadsheet that schedules out each day, so I have a routine in place. This helped a lot as I was very worried how I could manage my self-harm urges with so much free time. Before the coronavirus, I was almost never home. I always liked being out and about. Being in quarantine has really helped me grow as an individual because I feel like I'm getting stronger and stronger every day. I now realize that it can be really relaxing to stay home. I have created a new lifestyle and adapted to having more free time. I have been trying to do at least one art project every week to keep my brain active. And on top of that, my friend and I have created a daily workout routine that we do over FaceTime. During all of this free time, I have really tried to reflect on my life and how I can improve myself. Though the days aren't always easy, it's been a time of growth for me. In high school, I wasn't able to control my impulsivities when I had free time. Now I'm able to sit with my emotions and really ride them out like a wave. It's been hard, but I am so proud of how far I've been able to stay safe this past month during quarantine. My biggest piece of advice is to create a schedule. When you're able to have designated tasks to do at certain times, it occupies your mind and keeps it from wandering. Talk to a loved one or friend to create ideas for your schedule. I hope everyone is able to learn something new about this quarantine or during this quarantine. Hang in there. We will all be able to move forward and live lavishly soon. Thank you for listening to me share. And if you'd like some more info on what the NAN Project does and has to offer, check out our website at www.thenanproject.org/COVID_19_resources. We will see you next time. And until then, stay safe and remember, there is hope and there is hope. Thank you.